The book The Financial Freedom Equation presents the idea that financial freedom is achievable for anyone who is willing to make changes to their spending and saving habits. The author stresses that financial freedom is not just about having a high income, but instead it's about making smart decisions with the money one has. A crucial step towards achieving financial freedom, as outlined in the book, is creating a budget. The author Ben Lafort believes that creating a budget is the foundation for understanding one's spending patterns and identifying areas where they can reduce expenses. A budget also helps set financial goals and track progress towards achieving them. Investing for the future is another critical aspect of the book. The author suggests that investing in stocks, bonds, and other types of investments can grow one's wealth and speed up the process of achieving financial freedom. It's important to understand the risks associated with investing and have a diverse portfolio to minimize these risks. Debt is a factor the author advises individuals to avoid as much as possible, as it can weigh heavily on individuals and limit their ability to reach financial freedom. The author recommends paying off debt quickly and avoiding new debt, unless it is for a specific purpose such as purchasing a home through a mortgage. The book emphasizes the importance of finding work that brings fulfillment and a sense of purpose. According to the author, pursuing work that brings joy and fulfillment can result in elevated life satisfaction, regardless of earning potential. This type of work also has the power to mitigate job-related stress and frustration, while promoting overall well-being. Finally, the book underscores the value of developing a strong financial education. The author believes that individuals who understand finance and investing are better equipped to make informed decisions about their money and achieve financial freedom. The author suggests that individuals should educate themselves on concepts such as budgeting, building income streams, saving, investing, and debt management to be successful in their pursuit of financial freedom.
If you enjoyed this review and would like to purchase the book, support the channel by clicking the affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.